Santiago.
Okay. So, what? Just Coffee won in 3 sets lang against Capital One. So, who's your POG?
Chloe Mondoñedo. Kasi wala nag-stand out eh. So, very good ball distribution.
Oh, cool. Setter naman ngayon. Okay ba tayo? Ako naman si Troncoso. Iba yung leadership niya sa loob. Tapos yung mga digs na and palo. So, let's see kung sino yung pinili nila. Let's see. Natin. Ooh, interesting. Sino kaya? While waiting, how was your experience watching the games live ulit?
Live again. It was a very gastronomical experience. Kasi, Tini Arroyo pala. Mali tayo. I love watching live because of one of the things that I love about watching live is the food. Masarap kasi yung food dito. Yung beef nachos, napakasarap. Nakadalawa ko. Yeah, and so it was very nice. Ang ganda. A Saturday afternoon well spent.
Good job. So si Arroyo pala. Okay, kasi for me it's either Troncoso or Arroyo. Iba rin kasi yung yung mga back row din ni Arroyo. I love it. So yeah, maybe we'll watch another game next week. Let's see.
Maybe.
Kung kakayanin ng schedule and ng budget. We got the patron seat, $550 yung price per one. So if you're interested, you can buy the ticket here na sa venue. So there, happy Saturday guys. Happy Saturday.
Bye.
Bye.